What if I told you that you could build a fully functional app in minutes without writing a single line of code? And what if you could do it right from your smartphone while waiting for your coffee? That's exactly what Replit has made possible with their groundbreaking AI tool that's changing the game for developers and non-developers alike. Replit, the developer tooling startup, has launched an application that can build and deploy other apps from scratch within minutes. CEO Amjad Masad announced this revolutionary tool with a simple yet powerful promise. Whatever you need, make an app for that. Now on your phone. For everyone. Free. Imagine texting a friend about an app idea and having that idea transform into reality before your eyes. That's essentially how Replit Agent works. You describe your vision in plain English and the AI translates it into functional code. Want to create a workout tracker? Just tell Replit Agent what you need. Need a drumbeat emulator? Simply describe it and watch as the AI builds it for you. This conversational approach to development removes the traditional requirement for coding knowledge, opening the door to a whole new world of creators. But how does it actually work? The agent interprets your natural language description, formulates a development plan, and executes that plan step by step. You can provide feedback and additional requirements as your project develops, creating an iterative approach to app building that feels natural and intuitive. Let me take you through the actual process of creating an app with Replit AI. I'll guide you step by step so you can see just how accessible this technology really is. First, you'll need to sign up for a free Replit account at replit.com. The registration takes just seconds. Once logged in, you'll see your dashboard where all your future projects will live. Look for the Create App button on your home screen. Click it and select the Create with Replit Agent tab to access the AI assistant. This is where the real magic begins. The key to a great app is a clear prompt. In the text area, you'll describe what you want to build. Be specific about features, design, and functionality. You can use ChatGPT to create a detailed prompt, or just for example, you might type, create a personal portfolio website with a clean design featuring an About section, project gallery, and contact form. You can even paste in images for reference if you have a specific design in mind. Once your prompt is ready, click Start Building and watch as Replit Agent springs into action. Now Replit Agent analyzes your request and creates a build plan. You'll see real-time updates in the Progress tab as it sets up your project environment. Have you ever wished you could see inside the mind of a developer? This is your chance. Once complete, Agent presents its plan for your app. You can approve it as is or request modifications before proceeding. This collaborative approach ensures the final product matches your vision. This is where the process gets truly fascinating. Sit back and watch as Replit Agent builds your application file by file. It's creating the structure, writing the code, and implementing the features you requested, all automatically. Agent periodically checks in for feedback during the build process. Want a different color scheme or additional functionality? Simply describe what you'd like changed, and Agent will implement your suggestions. It's like having a developer who reads your mind. Your app is now taking shape. Click the Run button at the top of the screen to see your application in action. Replit provides a live preview where you can interact with your creation and ensure everything works as expected. Need adjustments? Return to the Agent chat and describe what needs fixing. The AI makes the necessary changes while explaining what it's doing, helping you learn along the way. This educational aspect is particularly valuable for those interested in eventually learning to code themselves. Ready to share your creation with the world? With your free Replit account, you can deploy your app with just a few clicks. Select the Deploy button and choose Auto Scale for the best balance of performance and cost-effectiveness on the free plan. In seconds, Replit generates a unique URL where your app is now live and accessible to anyone. Share it with friends, include it in your portfolio, or post it on social media. Your creation is now on the web. One of the most revolutionary aspects of Replit's approach is making app development available on mobile devices. The Replit app is available on both iOS and Android, allowing users to build and deploy applications directly from their smartphones. In the growing landscape of AI coding tools, what makes Replit stand out? Unlike tools such as GitHub Copilot that focus primarily on code suggestions, Replit AI provides a more comprehensive platform with cloud-native tools, real-time collaboration, and integrated deployment options. Of course, there are limitations too. Replit has more limited support for modern frameworks like Next.js compared to competitors like Cursor, and its cloud-based nature can introduce resource constraints for larger projects. Perhaps the most exciting news for aspiring developers is that Replit AI is available for free. In February 2025, Replit announced that everyone can now try Replit Agent for free as part of their new free tier to create up to 3 public apps. This free tier makes the technology accessible to students, hobbyists, and curious minds who want to experiment with app development without financial commitment. As we look to the future, Replit's vision becomes even more ambitious. The company has stated that AI will redefine every single Replit feature, suggesting a future where AI assistance is so deeply integrated into the development process that it becomes an assumed component rather than a highlighted feature. Whether you're a seasoned developer looking to accelerate your workflow, a student learning to code, or someone with an app idea but no technical background, Replit AI offers a pathway to creation that was previously unavailable. So what will you build? The power of app creation is now literally at your fingertips. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button to AI with TechSnap to stay updated with the latest AI tools.